Hi, okay, I'd like to show you how you can use Google Forms to create a quiz without using any third-party gadgets or add-ons. So we're going to go New, and we're going to go to Google Forms. And so when you get to this page, I think it's good just to give it a title quick. And that way you have that name there. And then what we're going to do then is go to the gear, which is the settings. We're going to go to quizzes, and we're going to make this a quiz. So you have some options. Release grade, you can do it either immediately after the kid takes it or don't release the grade. What they see, if you let them see it after each submission, are some options here. Okay, but make sure you toggle that on to make this a quiz and save. Okay, so let's get into our questions. We'll need a name there, and that'll be just a short answer. Make that required so the kid doesn't forget. And so when we add our first question, we're going to add our options. And since this is a quiz, we're going to tell Google Forms what is the right answer. So instead of using Flubru or Super Quiz or any other add-on, we can do that right within the quiz, right within the Google form. So we're going to click Answer Key, and we're going to say that Pierre is in fact the correct answer to the capital of South Dakota to our question. We're going to increase the point value to just 1. Okay, and then we have set that question. So to add a second question, we'll go to Add Question here, and then we will enter our second question. Add some options, and then again we're going to go to our answer key. That'll open up the answer key area, and we'll select the right answer, St. Paul, and then we're going to give it a point. Okay, so let's say we have our quiz completed, and so we're going to go then to responses. We're going to create the spreadsheet like we have in the past with Google Forms, and that'll create its own spreadsheet, so we'll create that there. But what I want to show you is what happens when a student actually takes it. So we're going to just go to the eyeball, and that's going to allow us to preview it. Alright, so I'll open up our new quiz. We'll go student. So we'll just take it. We can see that the kid can see how many points each question is worth as they go. We'll go Pierre, and where the capital of Minnesota is St. Paul, and we'll submit. Okay, so we let the student see their submission, their score on submission. So when we hit submit, we have an option here to view your score. So this is the student now. The student can just click that link, and they can see how they did. 2 out of 2, and they can see each question. If you don't want them to see this after their quiz, then you would toggle that off back in the settings. Okay, so let's go back to our quiz, our Google form, and now for the responses, we can see just a basic graph here to see how things went. We can also see we can see each student's individual submission. Okay, now we also have the spreadsheet, so let's go check out the spreadsheet. We have the submission in here, but it also adds a column for the score. So you can sort these submissions by alphabetical or by class period, whatever you want to do. But you can see the score with each student's submission there. So finally, Google Drive has created a tool to use in Google Forms to make it a quiz rather than relying on an add-on like Flubru or Super Quiz. So the thing that I would say here though is that with this quiz feature with Google Forms, you don't get the breakdown of data like you do with Flubru or Super Quiz, but it's a very, very simple, very user-friendly way to do quizzes through Google Forms and Google Drive. So, hope it helps. Good luck with your quizzes.